if we want to understand how light travels through a hole in the wall, we're going to have to first understand the nature of light itself, and basically light waves itself. You notice here I have a flashlight, and you can see the area that this flashlight actually shines out of is actually not that big. It's actually maybe about half an inch, right? If I go ahead and turn off the lights, though, and actually turn this flashlight on, you're going to actually notice this, and you've already seen this before. You can go ahead and actually see that I can actually get it to a much more significant area that's bigger than half an inch. You notice this is actually about maybe a foot wide. You notice the light is a bit dispersed here, and then also at the same time, everything else is kind of brighter in the middle as it fades out towards the ends. It's actually significantly bigger, which actually points out to a significant property. Light likes spreading out as much as it can whenever it does shine through things. So it's actually an inherent property of waves. If you think about it, these waves are trying to disperse in the most efficient way possible due to the rules of thermodynamics. They actually apply to waves and energy the same way that, we talk about motion. And since light is a wave, it will actually obey it as such. So now, here's what we're going to do. We're actually going to take something with a hole in it, okay? I'm also going to post a video that actually demonstrates this as well, that you can actually see. But we're going to see, if I go ahead and if I shine a light through this hole, it's going to be very different. Now notice I made this out of Lego bricks just to make this very simple on myself. You can try this through a simple cardboard or everything. But you see, here's the light, and we're going to actually put it through this hole. You're going to notice the same property actually induces itself as it goes on. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to turn off the lights again, and I'm going to shine light through this hole, and you're going to notice the same property actually takes place. And the lights are actually going to try to spread out according to everything else. So let's go ahead. There we go. There we go. So you notice here's the hole. There's the light normally. Okay, and then after we're going to put the hole over it. And you notice, although you could have some trouble seeing it, the light is still spreading out a little less efficiently because it doesn't have that big of an area too, but it's still there and it's still spreading. Okay? And notice it's actually much bigger than the hole itself. Again, these are the waves trying to spread themselves out as efficiently as possible. And that's because light isn't more of a ray. Well, you can describe it as a ray, but it's more of a wave in this type of sense. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed this video.